The Zhunka is a traditional Maharashtrian dish. Zhunka is eaten along with bhakri made of jowar or bajri and is accompanied with the Mirchi Thecha. Let's heat up the kadai and pour about 3 to 4 spoons of oil. Add a little more oil so that the Zhunka does not become dry. If you make your Zhunka only with oil and no water at all, it can stay good up to 8 days. Add mustard seeds and let them temper well. Add hing, post that lower the gas flame. Temper the spices till they are roasted a little. Add chopped garlic and chopped green chilies, which adds the spice to this recipe. Since I prefer less spicy food, I am adding a small quantity of garlic and green chilies. Add a little cumin seeds. Add sliced onions to the spices and fry them well. Use a lot of onions as they will ensure the Zhunka remains moist. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj loved to eat Jhunka and Bhakri. That was his staple diet. Add salt as per taste and some turmeric powder. Raje always had one meal a day like a yogi, as he felt that eating twice will make him lethargic and less active in warfare. Freshly cut curry leaves adds the unique taste. During wars, each Maratha used to carry a small potli of Zhunka and bhakar along with them to eat while travelling from one place to another. Besan or gram flour is the main ingredient of the dish. Post adding besan, mix it well. Besan should be cooked well or else it can cause indigestion or stomach pain. Hence, roast it well. Zhunka stays good in all weather conditions, hence you can pack it for your travel tours. While cooking, add a dash of freshly cut coriander as it adds a lot of taste to any dish. Post adding 2 spoons of water, cook the Zhunka with a lid on it for about 5 minutes. Serve it hot and enjoy this recipe in the monsoon season. Garnish it with lots of chopped coriander to add to the greens to the dish. If you don't have the time to make the thecha, I will show you something very interesting. Take a big size green chili, a spicy one, and make a slit cut in it. Add about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic in the cut slit. Don't forget to add hing and salt in the chili slit. Now keep it for a roast on a flame. No need for thecha. You can have this roasted chili and garlic along with your Zhunka and bhakari. Zhunka and bhakri is a very nutritional combination, as besan has a very low glycemic index and keeps the blood sugar levels stable. Plus, jowar bhakri is very rich in calcium, iron, fiber and proteins.